Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Juliet Michael, your favorite motivational, leadership, business, lifestyle, and entertainment coach. I'll be speaking today about one of my books, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs. I actually wrote this book last year to make entrepreneurs
Hi,
know
welcome back to my
that
channel.
success in entrepreneurship. I'll be speaking to you today about the 8 traits in my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Successful Entrepreneurs, Insight into the Quality of Wealthy Billionaires. And the trait is innovation. Innovation is the bridge between who a leader is and who the follower is. Innovation is about finding new ways to actually provide a solution. It doesn't necessarily mean that you should invent a new product. It's just about finding new ways to do things, finding new ways to make an existing product more beneficial, more accessible, and more customer friendly. How have you been able to make your customers more interested in your new product? That is the side of innovation. For a business to scale up and to experience exceptional success, you have to be innovative as an entrepreneur. You have to find new ways to make your existing product more accessible and unique in its own way. So, I would encourage every entrepreneur in the journey of entrepreneurship to be innovative. You can find out more about the innovative traits in my book, The 21 Exceptional Traits of Highly Exceptional Entrepreneurs. Buy your copy, read it up, and you would see why innovation is a trait you should imbibe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.